All right, now I'm going to install the grip. To do that, I kind of come in sideways, rotate, and then spread and slide into this position. I noticed my spring pin fell out during this process, and that goes in the bottom hole. And I can push that all the way in with my Allen wrench. And if you look through the window, you can see the pin. Then I can put the screw in that's responsible for holding that pin up. And you can dab a little of the Loctite on the screw and install that pin in first. I'm sorry, the screw in first that holds the pin up. And that's the screw right here. Now we can slide the mag release in. And you'll get it about halfway and you'll hit the pin. Actually, let's back up. I should have pushed this pin down against the screw with the screwdriver. I come in through the side and push it down. Now I slide this in till it hits the pin. And this is a little tricky, but you come underneath and pry the pin near the top out of the way, allowing the mag release to pass by. I finally got that. Might be hard to see, but now the spring has to be shoved into the groove after that's seated. So again, you hold on this, come in from the bottom, and push towards this. It'll naturally find the groove. And now the button is installed. And then you can go ahead and tighten the other remaining screws. And I usually just go with the Allen wrench, holding this end pretty much as hard as you can using blue Loctite.